Welcome to my class. Today I will be looking at Geography Paper 2, Kcse 2023 marking scheme. And in this video, I will be looking at section A, that is question 1 to question 5, both questions and answers. I will do the rest of the paper later. So if you have not subscribed, please do so that you will be notified whenever I upload the remaining part. Question 1A. Name 2 minerals that occur as weathering products. We are naming 2 minerals that occur as weathering products. So here you could talk of bauxite or ore of aluminium, manganese, nickel, iron, any 2. Question 1B. State 3 uses of soda ash. Here the question is state, so our answer should be in a statement form. So you can talk of it is used in making glass. It is used in fixing dyes in textile industries. It is used in softening water. It is used in oil refining. It is used in manufacturing soap or manufacturing detergents. And it is used in desulfurizing steel. It is also used in making paints. There are so many uses you can add, but the question only required you to state 3. And remember, you give a statement. Question 2A. Name the hydroelectric power projects located in each of the following rivers in Africa. River Zambezi. We have Kariba Dam. We also have Kaborabasa Dam. Then we have River Volta. Here we have Akosombo Dam, or you can talk of Volta Dam. Question 2B. State 3 factors that have hindered the development of solar energy in Kenya. Once again, we are giving a statement. So which are these factors that have hindered development of solar energy in Kenya? Here definitely the question required us to give the disadvantages of solar energy. So number 1, solar energy has low energy output. Number 2, because of the short lifespan of storage batteries. Number 3, due to competition from alternative sources. Number 4, because of the high cost of purchasing or installation of solar panels. And this point is the same as saying because of the low purchasing power of the people. And also you can talk about due to inadequate technology. Question number 3, we had been given a map that was showing wheat growing areas of Canada, and we had been instructed to use it to answer question A, that is 3A. Question 3A, name the provinces marked G and H. So G, we have Saskatchewan, I hope that's how they pronounce it, and then we have H, Manitoba. Question 3B, state 3 reasons for the increase in the price of maize in Kenya. 3 reasons for the increase in the price of maize in Kenya. So again, here we have a statement. So our answer should be in a statement form. Remember, if you give it in one word and not a statement, you will not score. So it's important that we be very careful on the terms, the examination terms that have been used. So number 1, adverse climate conditions, for example, prolonged drought, leading to low maize production. Number 2, prevalence of pests, for example, armyworms and locusts, leading to low maize production. And remember we said when your answer mentions pests, then you must give an example. You won't score without an example. Number 3, prevalence of diseases, for example, maize rust, blight, maize streak, smut, leading to low maize production. Once again, when you mention a disease as your answer, then remember to give an example for you to score. Next, high demand for maize or competition for maize as a raw material in manufacturing industries. So we know that whenever demand of a product goes high, the prices go high. Next, a rise in the cost of inputs, or you can talk about increased cost of production. Next, a rise in the cost of inputs, or you can talk about increased cost of production. Someone can also say increased cost of fuel. Another reason is reduction in land acreage under which maize is planted. Another reason, global rise in food prices. You can also talk about restrictions on importation of maize, and you can also talk about holding of maize. Question number 4A, explain the term visible trade. This was a tricky question because we are used to define, but this time now they said explain the term visible trade. And you remember that when you're told to explain, ideally you're supposed to identify the main point and then you elaborate. So now here, how are we supposed to answer this question? Explain the term visible trade, and it's not defined. So we could have talked about tangible goods are exchanged within a nation or between countries. And maybe avoid starting your statement with it is there, because now that would be defining. All right, question 4B, state 3 economic benefits of Southern African Development Community to its member states. 3 economic benefits of Southern African Development Community to its member states. Now these benefits, if you study them keenly, you realize that they are very similar across the trading block. So if you grasp a few, you will be good to go. So number 1, we are stating it's a statement. It ensures that variety of goods are available. Number 2, it has made movement of labor, capital, and technology within member countries easier. It has created a large market for goods from member countries. It has created a common tariff, or you can say it has led to removal of trade barriers. It has availed capital for economic development to its member states. It has increased employment opportunities. So we needed 3. Question 5A, apart from pollution, name 2 other environmental hazards that occur as a result of human activities. So here you could talk about, here you be careful not to mention pollution because it has already been mentioned. Number 2, we are mentioning environmental hazards. Number 3, we are mentioning hazards that occur only as a result of human activities. So here you could talk of desertification, you could talk of flooding, you could talk of soil erosion, you could talk of forest fires, you could talk of dam failures, and you could talk of land dereliction. And you be very careful not to talk of degradation. It's land dereliction. Because the moment you talk of land degradation, all those hazards that I've mentioned are land degradation. So you will end up scoring 1 point. So you be very careful. It is land dereliction because all of them, flooding causes land degradation, desertification, soil erosion, all those are land degradation. Alright, question 5B, state 3 effects of air pollution on the physical environment. Again, this is a statement. So we're giving effects of air pollution on the physical environment. So it can lead to formation of acid rains, leading to withering of plants. It can lead to excess carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, leading to increase in temperatures, or leading to depletion of ozone layer, or you can also say leading to global warming. It causes reduction of oxygen in the atmosphere. Then you can say the excess dust in the air inhibits photosynthesis in plants. Another point is gases emitted due to air pollution causes bad smell. The dust, smoke, or smog reduces visibility. So thank you for staying with me to the end. I hope you have subscribed. I also hope you will like the video and you will share with your friends. And I will be very grateful. I promise very soon I will be uploading section B, question 6, as well as other questions.